Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a virtual trip to the stunning Excellence Punta Cana, an adults-only paradise nestled in the heart of the Dominican Republic. So grab your imaginary passport, and let's dive into this luxurious Caribbean getaway. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Excellence Punta Cana doesn't just offer rooms. It offers sanctuaries of relaxation and indulgence. Picture yourself in one of their junior suites, where you'll find a spacious haven with a king-size bed that's so comfortable. You might just want to spend your entire vacation there. But don't worry, the private balcony or patio will tempt you out to soak up those breathtaking views. Now, if you're feeling fancy, and let's face it, you're on vacation, so why not? The Excellence Club Suites are where it's at. These bad boys come with private check-in, because who wants to wait in line when paradise is calling? You'll also get access to exclusive areas like the Excellence Club Lounge, where you can pretend you're a VIP, because, well, you are. And for those who like to make a splash, the swim-up suites let you step right into the pool from your private patio. Talk about living the dream. All rooms come decked out with flat-screen TVs, mini-bars, and luxurious bedding that'll make you feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. And if you're lucky enough to snag an Excellence Club suite, you'll be treated to L'Occitane toiletries, an espresso machine, because vacation runs on caffeine, and a premium liquor selection. Cheers to that. Now let's talk about food, because, let's face it, that's half the reason we go on vacation, right? Excellence Punta Cana doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. With 7 specialty restaurants, you could eat at a different place every night of the week and still have options left over. Fancy some seafood? They've got you covered. Craving a juicy steak? No problem. How about some authentic Italian cuisine? You bet. And for those mornings when you just can't decide, there's a buffet restaurant serving up a smorgasbord of international dishes. But wait, there's more. If you're part of the Excellence Club, and after hearing about those suites, why wouldn't you be? You get access to Magna Restaurant, where you can enjoy ocean view breakfasts. Nothing says good morning quite like waves crashing and pancake stacking. And let's not forget about the bars. With beachfront options serving up cocktails and snacks throughout the day, you'll never go thirsty. Plus, there's the Aroma Cafe for when you need that caffeine fix. Just remember, there's a dress code for dinner at the specialty restaurants, so pack that fancy outfit you've been dying to wear. And while reservations aren't always required, they're recommended. After all, you don't want to miss out on these culinary delights. All right, sun worshippers and water babies, this next part is for you. Excellence Punta Cana boasts not 1, not 2, but 23 pools. That's right, 23. It's like they looked at other resorts and said, hold my piña colada. These aren't just your average pools either. We're talking swim-up pools, private pools for Excellence Club guests, and pools with waterfalls. It's like they took every pool fantasy you've ever had and made a reality. And if that wasn't enough, there are swim-up bars and private jacuzzis too. But let's not forget about the beach. Excellence Punta Cana sits on a whopping 1.5 miles of pristine white sand beach. That's plenty of space to find your perfect spot for sunbathing, building sandcastles, or just watching the waves roll in. And if you're feeling adventurous, they offer water sports like snorkeling and kayaking. The best part? You don't even have to leave your lounger for refreshments, thanks to their beachside dining and drink service. It's like they read our minds and said, you know what? Let's make it so our guests never have to move more than 5 feet from the water. And we are here for it. But what if you're the type who can't sit still, even on vacation? Well, Excellence Punta Cana has got you covered. Their fitness center is equipped with all the modern gym equipment you could ask for. So you can keep up with your workout routine or start a new one, no judgment here. They even offer fitness classes and personal training options for those who need a little extra motivation. And if you're into water sports, you're in luck. From snorkeling to kayaking, there's plenty to keep you active in the crystal clear Caribbean waters. But maybe you're more of a land lover? No problem. They've got you covered with activities like dance classes, cooking lessons, and even Spanish language courses. Because why not come back from vacation with a new skill to show off to your friends? And let's not forget about the nightly entertainment. With live performances, themed nights, and even a casino, your evenings will be just as exciting as your days. Who knows? You might even win big and extend your stay. Now let's talk about relaxation, because what's a luxury resort without a world-class spa? The Mile Spa at Excellence Punta Cana is a sanctuary of serenity. Here, you can indulge in a wide range of treatments designed to rejuvenate your body and soothe your soul. From traditional massages to cutting-edge facials, they've got it all. And if you're an Excellence Club guest, you're in for a treat. One complimentary aqua hydrotherapy treatment per stay. It's like they're saying, here, have some extra relaxation on us. The spa facilities include a sauna, steam room, and relaxation areas where you can unwind before or after your treatment. And let's not forget about the signature treatments that will have you feeling like a new person. Whether you're looking to detox, de-stress, or just pamper yourself, the skilled therapists at Mile Spa have got you covered. They even offer couples treatments, perfect for those romantic getaways. And if you're feeling particularly indulgent, why not book a full spa day? Trust us, your body will thank you. One of the best things about Excellence Punta Cana is its location. While the resort itself is a slice of paradise, there's plenty to explore nearby. Just a short drive away, you'll find some of the best golf courses in the Caribbean. So if you're a golf enthusiast, don't forget to pack your clubs. Nature lovers will appreciate the nearby nature reserves, where you can explore the local flora and fauna. And for those who want to experience the local culture, there are charming villages nearby where you can shop for souvenirs, try authentic Dominican cuisine, and mingle with the friendly locals. The resort offers excursions to many of these attractions, making it easy to venture out and explore. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can always grab a taxi and do some exploring on your own. Just remember to bring your sense of adventure and a good sunscreen. So, what's the verdict on Excellence Punta Cana? Well, it's pretty darn excellent, pun absolutely intended. This adults-only resort offers a perfect blend of luxury, relaxation, and adventure. The rooms are spacious and well-appointed. The dining options are diverse and delicious, and the amenities are top-notch. The staff goes above and beyond to ensure every guest feels like a VIP, and the attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the resort. However, it's worth noting that during peak seasons, the resort can feel a bit crowded. So, if you're looking for ultimate seclusion, you might want to consider visiting during the off-season. That being said, even at its busiest, Excellence Punta Cana manages to maintain a high standard of service and comfort. What really makes Excellence Punta Cana stand out is its commitment to providing a truly luxurious adults-only experience. From the moment you step onto the property, you're transported to a world of elegance and relaxation. The colonial-style architecture blends seamlessly with the lush tropical surroundings, creating a romantic and secluded atmosphere that's perfect for couples and honeymooners. The Excellence Club offers an extra layer of luxury for those seeking a more exclusive experience, with perks like private check-in, access to exclusive areas, and upgraded in-room amenities. And let's not forget about that 1.5-mile stretch of pristine beach. It's the kind of view that vacation dreams are made of. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.